Hello, geeks and ghouls. If you hang around places like YouTuber Reddits, you'll often encounter some posts of people asking, "Hey, am I shadowbanned from YouTube because the algorithm doesn't love me? My videos are tanking." And that's an interesting topic because there is this legend of YouTube shadowbanning people, and there was some insight on the algorithm where some videos get a rating according to how suitable they are for family viewing, and this affects their reach. But however, when you see I'm getting so little views, I'm shadowbanned, the algorithm has banned me, there is one very easy way to find out if this is true or not. So let me wear my social media manager hat on and let me show you how you can find out if you're shadowbanned or not. And if you disbelieve that there is indeed some shadowbanning involved in YouTube, once upon a time, some months ago, a friend of mine was a social media manager, and he had taken over a YouTube account of a political person, and the titles of their video were not returning when he was searching for them. So there is a good chance that yes, shadowbanning on YouTube is indeed happening. So how do you find if you have been shadowbanned or not? If you search for your videos and they come up in search, not just they may not come up on top, but you type in your channel name, your video title, and see if the search returns this or not. If this is happening, you haven't been shadowbanned. But there is a way to find out if the algorithm is hiding your posts, and you go to YouTube Studio, you go to this tab called Analytics, and you search your rates. And what you're looking for is impressions. If your impressions are up compared to, say, the previous chapter, as you can see, I have 16% more impressions. If you go to 90 days and you're indeed shadowbanned at some point, you'll see a huge dip in impressions. That means that the YouTube algorithm is not promoting your posts to other people's walls. Also, you go to traffic source types and you see that if there is a dip from say 90 to 28 to 7 days in search, then yes, your videos are not searchable anymore. Or maybe the browse features are not working, or maybe only external is very high, and that's if your external views are very high, then something's definitely wrong. It's just your videos, your self-promotion, your linking your videos to other social media is what is generating views. So these are the signals that something is off. This is a healthy channel, as you can see. Yes, it's mostly search based. I have very few subs, but as you can see, there's a steady growth on browse features as it gains subs. This channel is not shadowbanned, but if you see that you get a huge dip in your rates or in your views, it's definitely something suspicious. If, however, you get a dip in your click-through rate, if your click-through rate was like 6% or 10% or 20% and it dips to something smaller in the past few days, the past few weeks, all the time you get little views, you're not shadowbanned. Your thumbnails or your titles or your topics suck. And that's the hard truth. That's why you're not getting clicks, even though your video is on people's walls, it is suggested to them, they just won't bother to click on it. And that's the hard truth. You have to work on making your videos more appealing. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you believe you were shadowbanned and you check this and your numbers look normal, it's just that your views are dipping for some reason, press the like button. If you want more videos like that explaining how the YouTube algorithm works, go ahead, leave a comment below and say you want to watch more of this and subscribe, and maybe I'll do some of this. Or leave me your questions about how the algorithm works, because, okay, I have a small channel, but I know some things about social media and how they work. So I would love to hear your questions. Thank you for watching and stay spooky.